So this Macintosh is a Macintosh Plus from 1986. It has this external hard drive down here called the Rod IME Systems external hard drive, I guess. It comes with this very clicky keyboard and this very hockey puck mouse. Well, it's not a hockey puck, it's just very rectangular. An interesting thing about this is the keyboard connector is basically the same but pinned out different than a normal telephone wire. So if you connect it into the port down here, let's see, yeah, that's the right way. If we push it in there, it clicks. We'll tuck it down in here. And we hit the switch on the back, which it's at the back left corner. If we hit the switch, it'll make a noise. I haven't turned this on in a long time, so hopefully it still turns on. So after power cycling it a bunch and turning it off and on, eventually it turned on. And there's a switch on the back of this Rod IME 20 Plus external hard drive to turn on the hard drive. So now the computer is on. So I guess if your Macintosh turns on but there's nothing on the screen, just turn it off and on a bunch and eventually it comes to life. So anyway, you'll see these bars going down the screen here because the refresh rate, but I cannot adjust that on a GoPro Hero 8. So you're just gonna have to bear with me. SimCity, yes, here we do. So if we click on SimCity, you never want to click in the text because that's how you adjust the name. You want to click on these little icons here. Let's click it. SimCity, the city simulator from Maxis Software. We'll load a scenario. Or it cannot find the scenario file. Okay, we'll just have to start a new city. Actually, we'll just use that map. Easy. Somewhere. Let's see if there's any old cities that are saved on here. Let's go to load city. No. Let's see. Let's go down to... Yeah, there's one called Davetown. Let's open Davetown. Looks like Davetown is not quite a thriving metropolis. It's down here. So we gotta move our little box to see down here. And there's Davetown. Got some skyscrapers. Ooh, Davetown has no power. We'll add a power, or where's the power plant actually? Somewhere down here. Yeah, they got nuclear. Huh. Does anyone in Davetown have power? Some people do. And a lot of people don't. I don't know, they all have power now. Interesting bug. Anyway, let's try another game. Quit. We won't save Davetown because we didn't do anything. Back to the hard drive. We'll try a game of... It's Grand Prix. It's a racing game of some sorts. New. I'm not going to mess around with this. Let's go to something I know about. Let's go to, what is missile? Missile command maybe? Yes it is. Okay, and the missiles just start off right away, so let's get the missiles. Is there any sound of this game? Nope. Some of the games have sound, some of them do not. So we beat round 1. I think that's enough of missile command today, or as it's called, missile. With these old computers, the hard drives make very interesting sounds. Let's see if I can capture it. Let me just click on another game. Let's go, I guess we could go to Stupid Mac Tricks, the tricks. Sound. Oh, what is the Talking Moose demo folder? Let's keep looking through this. There's Microsoft Word on here. It's in the Guineas folder. Something called artwork. Microsoft Word. Wakanda, South Dakota. Okay, that has personal information on it. We'll have to edit that out of the video. It's in computer languages. Okay, that's just nothing interesting in there. Stupid Mac tricks. I really want to know. It's Mac barf. I guess it's in the control panel. All these interesting stuff. So we'll go visit the control panel. Let's see, it's in here. When you first add Mac OS onto these old computers, you won't get all the games, but you will get most of these in here. So you'll get like a calculator and all this stuff. You'll get a puzzle. But let's go to control panel. Change your desktop wallpaper to different shades of gray. Sound. Oh, we can make it really loud. Well, we heard that one before. There's a monkey in there. And then there's something called Sound Master. It's in Sound Master. Something called Dragnet. That's a TV show. What else would be in here? The Twilight Zone. Something called Look Up in the Sky. What is the yeah? Let's see what that is. Let's see what else. Trying the or what is spam? The puke sound. It's high there. That's just too quick. Monkey 2. Trying to think.
I'm trying to think, but nothing happens. I'm trying to think, but nothing happens.
Let's see, what's bird hunt? Is that just duck hunt? But for a computer? Yes, it is. Duck hunt. Make a choice. Hunt ducks, or what else can we hunt? Okay, it's just ducks. Play game. So we just shoot the ducks. It's really hard doing it with this mouse. Okay, that's enough of this. Mouse eaters. Now that sounds like a fun game. Let's play some mouse eaters. One player. Start. Oh, it's... Oh, we already lost. Okay, we'll try it again. It's Centipede, but just a mouse. Got them all. Oh, we lost. And they turn into cheese. Oh, we lost by a boot. Okay. Here's my old score. I got high. We'll just say me. We'll quit. Oh, well, that's not good. It just crashed. Here's it starting.
I'm trying to think, but nothing happens.
Okay, well, that's the Mac. I guess there is always paint on here. Let's see if we can find paint. Let's see here. Font, that's still a website. Puzzle. Scrapbook. Let's draw a picture real quick. Word. It might be in system folder. Yeah, here we go. It's got to be here. Page maker, print monitor. Utilities, maybe? Nope. We'll find the paint application. Special graphics. There it is, paint. Mac Paint, a very fun application indeed. Mac Paint by Bill Atkinson. We'll say good by in very bad handwriting, and then we'll fill the background with a grid pattern. There we go. And I'll end the oops. Well, I guess that's how all my videos go. We just get rid of everything. Well, anyway, that's my review, and we'll just turn off this computer now. We won't save that. That's my review. That's my review of this Macintosh. So we'll just turn it off from the back. It's now safe to turn off your Macintosh. Turn off the hard drive. And I'll end the video here. Thank you.